Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is for JME aspirants who have recently got selected in fleet management. And yes, all those, if you are not got selected and you are an aspirant, watch this video because today fleet management has, you have got the sponsorship of fleet management and you have got options of 5 colleges. One is IMI Noida, one is IMS Goa, one is Cochin Shipyard, one is HMT Chennai, one is MERI Mumbai and one is Ganpat University. And they all have fees range starting from 2.8 lakhs going maximum up to 5.95 lakhs for the same course. Now guys, if you did not have a sponsorship, koi naukri nahi thi, the thing I would have said is, okay, go for this college or this college or this college, because over here money does not matter, job in hand matters. And I have always been very vocal about that. But now that you have a job in hand, you have a sponsorship of fleet management, now the most important thing that you need to do is you have to go for the college with the least fees. Sir, why? Beta, because now you have to save money. See, you already did BTech mechanical engineering. Then you have spent some time. Now you are going for a college, and now for that 1-year course with the job already in hand, you are thinking, नहीं यार इस कॉलेज में जाऊंगा तो पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, या इस कॉलेज में जाऊंगा तो ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. See, in 1 year, the most important thing that you can do right now is you can save a lot of money, and this money in hand will come handy when you are going for your exams later on, say MEO class for exams as well, when you are going for your training as well. So this money is important. रहेगी बात college की, say if I talk about the various colleges, so abhi top 2 with the least fees are Ganpat University and MERI Mumbai. Ganpat University has got a fees of 2.8 lakhs, MERI Mumbai has got a fees of 3.65 lakhs. So these are the top 2 colleges which I would prefer you guys to join. Now you have to choose where you want to join. One of the students, he is from southern part of the country, he said, ki sir, I am thinking of going to Mumbai because, now the reason is because it is near to my house. मैंने बोला, well, you are saving 85-90,000 rupees if you go to Ganpat University, and these 90,000 rupees तुम 3 बार flight से ऊपर नीचे करोगे, then also you will save money. So which is nearby you think? One of the gentleman's parent came in the webinar and he said, sir, I have heard that Cochin Shipyard is very strict. Very strict. They have got this naval personnel coming and training. Yes sir, fine. But your son has got a job in hand. And now you want to spend 2 lakh rupees extra just because so that your son can get punished. Well, for him, punishment is that he should come out of his comfort zone. That is, eat food that is in Maharashtrian food or Gujarati food, away from the food that is get his own native place. Second thing is, food is one thing, then understanding, learning Hindi, because if he goes to MERI Mumbai or Ganpat University, he will be with people who speak Hindi and he'll learn Hindi, he'll understand Hindi, and that's what matters. See guys, all in all, it is your money, you have to decide. Mera kaam hai apni taraf se whatever important is there to showcase that. I just remember very vividly that Gyan Agnihotri, you might be knowing him, when he got selected in Synergy and he asked me, sir, mere paas 2 college ka option hai, what should I choose? मैंने बोला, don't tell me the names, tell me the fees. कहता सर ये फीस. मैंने बोला कम किसकी है? कहता है इसकी. मैंने कहा जाओ यहाँ पे. So when you have a job in hand, the thing becomes different. When you don't have a job, things become different. So this is just feedback from my end. बाकी the decision is yours. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.